Litmus indicator commercially is bluish in aqueous solution and has the following pH ranges. An acidic solution is red when the pH is below 4.5. A basic solution is blue when the pH is greater than 8.3. If the solution is purple, the pH of the solution falls between 4.5 and 8.3. Additionally, there are litmus paper strips. Starting with red and blue litmus paper, the following possible outcomes are applicable. If the red and blue strips are both red, the pH of the solution is less than 4.5, resulting in an acidic solution. If the red and blue litmus papers remains unchanged, the resulting solution is neutral, meaning that the pH of the solution is between 4.5 and 8.3. If the red and blue litmus papers are both blue, the pH of the solution is greater than 8.3 because the solution is basic. Finally, there are neutral litmus papers, which initially is light purple. An acidic solution is when the neutral litmus paper turns red, meaning that the pH of the solution is under 4.5. If the neutral litmus paper remains light purple, the pH of the solution falls between 4.5 and 8.3. Finally, if the neutral litmus paper turns blue, the pH of the solution is greater than 8.3.